Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix weak signal on NOKIA 5.3. First, we need to open settings. They should be somewhere on your home screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is scroll up, then click on the search bar, write settings, then scroll down all the way to system, then click on reset options, and here it is, reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then just click on it and click on reset settings. Thanks for watching. Now your signal should be a lot better. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. Bye and see you soon.